Good morning everyone, welcome back to the 10th session. In the previous two sessions we had solved many problems based on properties of determinant. So in today's session we shall move on to the next topic, that is area of a triangle. Now area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 is given by the expression half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. That is the cyclic orders of the coordinates x1, y1, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now this expression can also be expressed in the determinant form as half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So this formula plays a very important role from examination point of view. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given, and those problems can be solved using the formula half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, again x3, y3, 1. Now we shall note some remarks in this topic, area of a triangle. The first point, since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Area cannot be negative. Since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Second one, if area is given, if area is mentioned in the problem, we are supposed to use both positive and negative values of the determinant for the calculation. And the last point, the area of the triangle formed by three collinear points is 0. Making a note of these 3 points and this formula, we shall solve few problems in today's session. Now we shall solve few problems based on area of a triangle. Before we solve this problem, let me quickly summarize the formula that we are supposed to use in this problem. Area of a triangle is given by delta equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So the first problem, find the area of the triangle whose coordinates given 1, 0, 6, 0, 4, 3. We shall mark these coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Mark the points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Now area of a triangle, that is AOT, is given by half delta equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So this is again delta equal to half into, what is the coordinate of x1? That is nothing but 1. What is y1? 0. Then it is 1 again. What is x2, y2? 6, 0 and 1. Similarly x3, y3, 4, 3 and 1. As I told you earlier in the previous sessions, what is the sign associated for a 3 cross 3 determinant for us to get the value of the determinant? It is plus, minus and plus. So we shall mark the signs as plus, minus and plus. Expanding the determinant, we get delta is equal to half into, plus 1 into, when I consider 1, as I said you earlier, you are supposed to leave that element row and that element column. Left out is 0, 1, 3 and 1. How do we calculate the value of 2 cross 2 determinant? Product of the principal minus product of the secondary, that is 0 into 1 is 0. Formula is with minus, 3 1s are 3. Minus 0 into any term is 0 plus 1 into 18 minus 0, that is 18. So this can be written as half into 0 minus 3 plus 18 into 1 is 18. So what is 18 minus 3? 15. So half into 15 square units, or it can be written as 15 by 2 square units. 15 by 2 square units. Moving on to the next problem, 2, 7, 1, 1, 10, 8. the first thing we are supposed to do is mark the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So I shall mark here as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. What is the formula used to find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So now substituting the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in the given determinant, we get delta is equal to half into what is x1, y1, that is nothing but 2, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1 again, and the last points are 10, 8 and 1. What are the signs associated? Plus, minus and plus. Now we shall expand the determinant, that is delta is equal to half into, when I consider 2, it is 1 minus 8. Similarly, minus 7 into, since I am considering minus 7, leave the row of minus 7 and the column of minus 7. That is, left out is 1, 1, 10 and 1. So it is 1 minus 10. Similarly, 1 into 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10. So that is delta equal to half into 2 into 1 minus 8 is minus 7, minus 7 into 1 minus 10 is minus 9, plus 1 into 8 minus 10 minus 2. So that is delta equal to half into 2 into minus 7 minus 14, minus into minus, plus 7 9s are 63 minus 2. Minus 14 minus 2 minus 16, minus 16 plus 63, it is plus 47. 47 by 2. What is the unit to find the area of a triangle? Square units. Implies delta equal to 47 by 2 square units. 47 by 2 square units. Similarly, moving on to the third problem. What is the third problem? Coordinates minus 2, minus 3, 3, 2, minus 1, minus 8. Mark the points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. What is the formula to find the area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Now we shall substitute the values of x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 in the following determinant. That is delta is equal to half into minus 2, minus 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8 and 1. So delta is equal to half into, what is the sign associated? Plus, minus and plus. So what is the sign here? Plus. But what element do we have here? Minus. So we shall multiply the signs. Plus into minus will be minus. So minus 2 into 2, formula is with minus. Minus 8 into minus 1 will be plus 8. Minus into minus will be 3. So 3 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 8 into minus 3 minus 24 plus 2. So this is delta equal to half into minus 2. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3 into 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1 into minus 24 plus 2 minus 22. This can be written as delta is equal to half into minus 20 plus 12 minus 22. Minus 20 plus 12 minus, so minus 20 plus 12 minus 8, minus 8 minus 22 minus 30, which is equal to minus 30 by 2 square units. Minus 30 by 2 square units. since area cannot be negative, minus 30 by 2 will become plus 30 by 2. We arrived at minus 30 by 2 square units. Area cannot be negative, it has to be positive. So we shall write this minus 30 as plus 30 by 2 square units. Further simplifying, 30 by 2 can be written as what? 15 square units. 15 square units. This is the required answer. Moving on to the next problem. Show that the points A of A comma B plus C, B of B comma C plus A, C of C comma A plus B are collinear. The question itself mentions the word collinear. So we need to show that the area of a triangle formed by these 3 points are 0. Only then we say it is collinear. Solution. We shall show that area of a triangle formed by the points A, B and C are 0. So what is area of a triangle given by? Area of a triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. So what is the coordinates of A given in the question? A comma B plus C. Similarly, what are the coordinates of B? B comma C plus A, and coordinates of C will be C comma A plus B. What is the first thing we do in the given problem? We shall mark the points as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So here we'll mark this as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We shall substitute these values in the given determinant. So what do we have? Delta is equal to half into determinant of what is x1? A. What is y1? B plus C, 1 again. Similarly, B, C plus A, 1, C, A plus B, 1. We shall associate the sign for the 3 cross the determinant, that is nothing but plus, minus and plus. So, plus, minus and plus. Delta is equal to half into expanding the determinant. When I consider A, what is the determinant left out? C plus A, 1, A plus B, 1 again. What is the sign associated here? B plus C. So, minus of B plus C into. Leave B plus C row, B plus C column. What is left out? B1, C1. B1, C1. Similarly, plus 1 into B, C plus A. Determinant of B, C plus A. C, A plus B. So, expanding the determinant. We get delta is equal to half into A into C plus A into 1. That is product of the principal minus product of the secondary. C plus A into 1 is C plus A, the formula is with minus A plus B into 1 is A plus B. When you multiply by minus sign, we get minus A minus B. Minus A minus B. Similarly, when you multiply minus of B plus C, what do we get? Minus B minus C. Minus B minus C into B minus C. Or you can write minus as it is, minus of B plus C, so that the calculation becomes easy. Both are correct. Plus 1 into B into A plus B, B into A plus B, formula is with minus C into C plus A. Simplifying further, what do we get? Plus A minus A gets cancelled. delta is equal to half into, you can directly multiply A into C, AC, A into minus B, minus AB. Similarly, minus sign as it is, B plus C into B minus C can be written as B square minus C square plus 1 into BA plus B square minus C square minus CA. B into A, BA, B into B, B square, minus C into C, minus C square, minus into plus will become minus C into A will be minus CA. So, delta is equal to half into AC minus AB minus into plus minus B square plus C square plus AB plus B square minus C square minus CA or AC. So, plus AC minus AC gets cancelled, plus C square minus C square gets cancelled, minus AB plus AB gets cancelled, minus B square plus B square get cancelled. So, what is the value of the inner term? It is nothing but 0. So, delta is equal to half into 0. Any term into 0 will sum up to 0, and therefore, delta is equal to 0. But what is delta? Delta is nothing but the denotation of area of a triangle. Hence, it shows that the area of a triangle is equal to 0, and therefore, it satisfies the equation these 3 points are collinear. Moving on to the next problem, we have find the value of k if area of a triangle is 4 square units and vertices given are k, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 2. First and foremost, when you observe the question, the area of a triangle is given. As I mentioned you in the remarks, when area of a triangle is given, we will be using both positive and negative value for the determinant calculation. So, here solution, we should mark the points as let A equal to k, 0, B equal to 4, 0 and C equal to 0, 2. So, by data, what is area of a triangle ABC given? How many square units it is? 4 square units. 4 square units. When area is given, as I mentioned you in the remarks, we are supposed to use both positive and negative value for the calculation of the determinant, and therefore, I will write here plus or minus. Now, mark these points as what? x1, y1, x1, y1, similarly x2, y2 and this as x3, y3. Mark the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. What is area of a triangle given by? Area of a triangle is given by delta is equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Here we shall substitute the value of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2 and x3, y3, and we shall associate the sign for a 3 cross 3 determinant. So, this problem will sum up to delta is equal to half into k 0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1. What are the signs associated? Plus, minus and plus. Equal to how many square units? It is plus or minus 4 square units. Plus or minus 4. Here delta is equal to, when you expand the determinant, we are supposed to consider 2 cases, one for plus 4 and one for minus 4. So, in this problem 2 cases will arise. Case 1 will be for plus 4 and case 2 will be for minus 4. Here, if I cross multiply 2 into 4, what do we get? It is 8. So, this problem can be written as delta is equal to k 0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1, which is equal to plus or minus 8, that is 4 into 2 will be 8. Now, expanding the determinant, case 1 and case 2, both the cases we shall solve. Case 1, by expanding the determinant, what is delta equal to? Determinant of k 0 1, 4 0 1 and 0 2 1. Now, what is delta equal to? Determinant of k01, 401, 021. After cross multiplying, we have 4 into 2 will be 8, and so we shall use plus or minus 8. In this problem, we arrive at two cases. Case 1, we shall calculate the area of a triangle for plus 8, and case 2, we shall calculate the area of a triangle for minus 8. So, case 1, we shall calculate the area of a triangle for plus 8. So, what is delta equal to? Determinant of k01, 401, 021, which is equal to plus 8. So, this is delta equal to, what are the signs associated? Plus, minus and plus. So, when you expand the determinant, k into 0 minus 2, minus 0 into any term, 0, plus 1 into 8 minus 0 equal to what? Equal to 8. So, delta equal to 0 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into k minus 2k plus 8 into 1, 8 equal to 8 again. So, minus 2k, 8 on the RHS remains as it is, plus 8 when it goes to RHS becomes minus 8. So, what is 8 minus 8? Minus 2k is equal to 0. Therefore, one value of k will be 0. When we consider plus 8, one value of k will be 0. Similarly, moving on to case 2. What is delta equal to? Delta equal to determinant of k01, 401, 021 equal to, which is the second case we are supposed to consider here, minus 8. What are the signs associated? Plus, minus and plus, minus and plus. When you expand the determinant, we get k into 0 minus 2, minus 0 into any term, 0, plus 1 into 8 minus 0, which is equal to what? Equal to minus 8. This can be written as minus 2k, that is 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, minus 2 into k will be minus 2k plus 8 is equal to minus 8. Minus 2k plus 8 on the RHS will become minus 8. Minus 8 remains as it is, and it can be written as minus 8 itself. What is minus 8 minus 8? Minus 16. Minus 2k is equal to minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled, implies what? 2k is equal to 16 implies k is equal to 8. This is the value of k when we consider the area of a triangle to be minus 8. So, this is the required answer. Moving on to the next problem. Find the value of k if area of a triangle is 4 square units and vertices are minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 0, k. It is similar to the previous problem which I have solved. So, you all can take this question for an assignment. Moving on to the next question. Find the equation of a line joining 1, 2 and 3, 6 using the determinant. So, the first point will be, we shall mark the point as A and B. So, let A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 6. For us to find the equation of a line using the determinants, we need 3 set of points. But in the given question, we have only 2 set of points. So, we will consider one more point, that is, let P of x, y, let P of x, y be any point on the line joining the points AB. Joining the points AB. Now, if P is any point on the line, joining the points AB implies what? All the 3 points lie on the same line. If all the 3 points lie on the same line, then we can say APB are collinear. Thus, triangle APB are collinear. Since they are collinear, can we say triangle APB is equal to 0? That is, triangle APB is equal to 0. Mark the coordinates of the point A as x1, y1, B as x2, y2, and one point we have considered, that is P of x comma y. We shall mark this point as x3, y3. x3, y3. Now, what is the formula to find the area of a triangle? Delta equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Equal to what? It is equal to 0. Why is it 0? Because it is collinear. Why it is collinear? Because all the 3 points lie on the same line. Therefore, rewriting it, area of a triangle is given by delta equal to half into determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1 equal to what? 0. Why it is 0? Because it is collinear. So, this can be written as half into, mark the points of x1, y1. What is x1, y1? 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1, which is equal to 0. Signs associated will be plus, minus and plus. When you expand the determinant, when we expand the determinant, what do we get? We get delta equal to half into, rewriting it again, delta is equal to half into 1, 3, x, 2, 6, y, 1, 1 and 1, which is equal to 0. 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1. Signs associated are plus, minus and plus. So, we shall expand the determinant now. What do we get? Delta is equal to half into 1 into 6 minus y minus 2 into 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x equal to what? 0. So, this is half into 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancel. That is half into minus y plus 3y. What is 3y minus y? That is nothing but 2y. 2x minus 6x will be minus 4x. Implies what can be taken as common? We can take out 2 as common. Half into, when you take out 2 as common, what is left out? Y minus 2x. So, this is the required equation of a line joining the points 1, 2 and 3, 6. This is the second question for today's assignment. Find the equation of a line joining 3, 1 and 9, 3 using the determinant. It is the same method. So, with this we have come to an end about the topic area of a triangle. So, in case if you have any queries from the previous sessions and today's session, please feel free to upload those queries in the prescribed link. With this, we will end today's session. Thank you.